You're right, Genki. Underground are everywhere.
You might say they're overground?
Keep working on that one. Barrier's electrified. Ow! And not friendly.
Your suit says that was 300 kilojoules. How is that just ow?
Benefits of bioelectricity, I guess. Power can be supplied all locally. You're done.
Any sign of the power source?
Several. Bet these cables lead the way.
Electrified barrier is next level. Maybe they got nervous after someone infiltrated Fisk Tower.
Who do that? Another one bites the dust.
If you give me the new form, we can skip this part.
Spider-Man! We can beat him! We'll kill you!
He's out!
Got him. Now I gotta drain that generator. Alright, drained it. Feeling good. Now for the others.
That looks like it hurt! He's back! Spider-Man!
Cool, chipping away.
Bring him down here!
Pull it down, Spider-Man!
Got hands? Catch!
I can't believe this is happening! Lay this guy out before he gets the new form!
No more underground. Soon to be no more generator. One more.
like before Tinkerer showed up?
Disorganized.
I don't know if we can survive it.
We can.
Got something for you!
Real good! Not gonna lose to you, Spider-Man!
That did it. Barrier's fresh out of power.
And primed for smashing.
That was the way to the main auditorium. Now it's blocked.
Oops. Maybe there's a staircase. Or an elevator.
Hey man, I'm thinking. What if you told Finn you're Spider-Man?
Yo, Finn. Not only did I lie about joining your club, but I'm also the guy trying to stop you.
Okay, yeah, we can work on the delivery.
Giant armored silo looks promising.
Really feeling like my gaming rig is underpowered right now.
Yeah. Finn's going full supervillain layer here. Are you seeing this giant armored container thing?
Totally not suspicious. You think the new form's in there?
I got a hunch, yeah. Peter's got cables running away from it. No wonder. Rick's invention. Krieger doesn't understand Nuform well enough to make more, but Finn does. She mapped out how its reactivity works. That's one. Need to power the others. So why do you think I should tell Finn I'm Spider-Man? Don't you think she might react badly?
Let's make a pros and cons list. Pro, she's your best friend. Besides me.
Con, she's a tinkerer.
Pro, talking to her is easier than sneaking around behind her back.
Con, the other Spider-Man was super clear. Don't tell anyone who you are.
Told me. Maybe if she knows it's you she's fighting, she'll rethink the whole Tinkerer thing.
Maybe you're right. All right, that's two. Hope this is a good idea.
What's the worst that could happen?
There's the guy 30 blocks away. Looks like Finn's making a new mask? Shield? Soon as I find a way around the Underground's weapons, she comes up with something new. Can't make a direct connection. Might be able to use that relay node to run a daisy chain. 3 down. 1 to go. Drywall's falling apart. They've been making new weapons to deal with me. Guess she told the rest of the underground to keep tabs. Alright, what are you up to, Finn? Finn's pumping energy into the new form, making it unstable like my venom did.
Which exploded the bridge. So, what? Does she want to blow up the theater?
Not the theater. Roxxon Plaza.
Whoa, what? How could she?
It's not open yet, so there'll be no casualties. But I can't let her do this. I'm taking the new form. Come on! Crap!
Spread out. It's here somewhere.
I need to get the new form. After I deal with our glow stick army.
Just to put it out there, what if Finn's right, and this is the best way to beat Roxxon?
Finn's not just talking about throwing a rock through a window. She wants to blow up everything on my block.
Gotta stay
If
alive.
any part of her plan goes wrong, people will get hurt. I can't let her take that chance.
You're right. Let's get that new form out of here.
Don't think I forgot about you. You broke my frickin' eye socket last year. Yeah, well, just because the
Here,
Emperor is
take
making this
5.
whole play nice now doesn't mean it'll last. Maybe I will. All I need is a tech.
And our loyalty, which you'll never see. Screw you.
Wish it was always this easy.
All that weapons training, fine.
Hell, what's that?
Don't take the underground seriously. You heard Beth got sick after being on the bridge?
We all know that. New form gets in your lungs.
Bet you didn't see that coming.
Alyssa, you there? Alyssa? Someone check in on her.
Be right there. Gotta watch out for spiders, man.
Oh, heard something.
That's something loose, though.
Heard something. Over there.
We need to guard this place better than we did our last one.
Heard something. Over there.
Taking us out.
Even Spider-Man's not ready for this.
Venom tears it apart!
Good! And keep doing that!
Told them we were here. Where are you going?
He's here. He's gotta be.
I'll find you.
I shut down Fisk's power, and I'll shut you down here!
I'll make this hurt.
Can't hide forever, Spider-Man.
Nap time.
Jenny, what's going on? Something's wrong.
Got it.
for the new form. Okay. See? No!
Can't let you take that.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Seriously?
I just want to talk! Finn! Tinkerer! Stop!
So you can steal my new form? Not a chance in hell!
Hey, Genki! Ran into Finn!
What's happening?
She grabbed the new form! I'm chasing her across Manhattan!
Okay, how are you gonna stop her?
Step 1, catch her. Step 2, I'll get back to you. Oh, move!
Back off! This is between me and Roxxon!
How about we use our words? How about you stop being so flingy? Oh, she's not tired yet. It is not going well.
Where are you?
I don't know. I'm dodging explosions. I need a new strategy. Gonna do what you said.
Tell her the truth?
Yeah, as soon as I catch her. Tinkerer, I gotta tell you something. Slow down.
Do you think I'm stupid?
You wanna hear this. I promise.
Step off, Spider-Man!
Oh crap! Not good, not good! Hope the ship's okay!
I said step off!
Whoa! Why did she invent death wheels?
Give me one good reason not to end you.
My mom would be very upset.
Miles?
Can we just...
You two on the roof! Freeze!
That could have gone better. I think she cracked a rib. Or 3.